To install FileFileGo on macOS, open your browser and navigate to FileFileGo.com. Click on Download and choose macOS. Click on the downloaded DMG file to install the application. Drag the FileFileGo icon and then drop it on the Applications folder. At this point, the application is installed on the system. Click on Search and find FileFileGo. By default, macOS blocks access to unidentified apps, which are applications not on App Store. To resolve this issue, go to System Settings, and then choose the Privacy and Security tab, and scroll down until you find the Open Anyway button to allow the application on the system. Finally, click on Open to start FileFileGo and complete the installation.